Hello guys, a new mining video for ruble coin. Also this site you can use for your site or your channel to promote your channel. Also to make advertisement in this site, you can replenish the balance of the site and replenish and get ads showing in different mode, like banner, link, surfing, as you want. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. Like you see, this is the home page of the site. I already enter in the site. For the first, you open in Google Chrome or any browser that you use, and you search for translate, make Russian to English, and click here. Always translate the page in English or any language of you. This the home page. How it's work? It's very simple. We have earn money, we have advertise and referral system, and personal area. It's for you. This in the high of the table we find in setting. Here in front of your picture, you can add picture in the site. For surfing, for every surfing for 20 seconds we have some ruble, like that. We press here, we click in surfing, we press in the site, we wait 20 seconds. That's all, and you get our ruble in your account. You can use ruble that you earn to advertise in the site. It's a very good site, like you see. Now we return. My balance is changed. We translate the page. There is YouTube tasks also. We choose one of these image with cow. There is cow. We do this capture, like you see. There is YouTube, there is videos, subscribing and likes. If you can work in all of it. There is a video here. You can subscribe in channels, like that. You can get likes like that and earn from YouTube. This is two way. There is tasks, there is letter, there is tasks also. There is like you see, this all are tasks. You complete the task with the chosen method. Also there is option, like you see you can see the option and put it like as you want. If you scroll down, we find the advertisement. We click in place in advertisement. After collecting ruble here or replenish the balance, I will show you. You can put dynamic link, you can put an advertisement, text, ad, banner, promotional letter, advertisement in a frame, test, YouTube, in contact. You can click in YouTube. You can make a task, watch video or subscribe to channel or give a like, anyone that you want. And here, scroll down. You can choose watch time. For every watch time there is a price. Like you see, for 300 seconds it's cost 0.39 ruble. It's a small part, like you see. A limited advertisement. You can make a limited advertisement in the site for 13 days, for 3 weeks, for 2 weeks, for 1 week, for 1 hour, or press now. No, just no. It will complete all your tasks. Very simple. Let's click in subscribe channel. Like you see, here there is a trick. Here you put your channel name. Here don't put your ID, put your channel like that, the link of your channel. Don't put the channel ID. It will ask you for channel ID. Don't put channel ID. Put your all link of your channel like that, the link of your channel in YouTube. Don't put your ID. When you put your ID, it will not do task as well. Put your real channel YouTube. You put your link to your channel. Don't put your ID. It's very simple. It's a trick here to get your preferred option. It's a good site. Here we click this for place in advertisement. This advertisement management. After putting your advertisement, you can manage advertisement. You can manage your advertisement here. You can click any one and see your chosen advertisement. Like you see, I have advertisement here. I click work now. It will work now, like you see. If you stop, there is option here. You can choose your option here. From there is many options. You can select countries, like you see. It's very simple. You click run, and now it's running. Like you see, I already replenished the balance with 64 ruble. In setting, you click in your setting here. You click in setting here. This is your setting. You confirm your email and other manager password. You go to social network. You add your YouTube channel. You add your contact account. You make one. If you don't have, you make one. You must do this step. You add your YouTube channel and Vicotech one. To replenish the balance, it's simple. We go to advertisement. There is many ways to replenish the balance, like we see. By year, perfect money, web money, Kiwi, Visa, MasterCard, in crypto, as you want. You can replenish the balance with any option that you want, like you see. You can replenish the balance. You can work in the site and get ruble and advertise in the site too. It's very simple, like I told you. It's a good site. This is our site today. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.